guys, welcome back Sexist Mommy. So my name is Amanda. If this is your first time here and you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel, guys. What we do on my channel is we have a little bit of cleaning, keto, lifestyle, mommy world, doggy world, everything kind of world up in here, guys. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a KonMari style of decluttering my kitchen. And as you can see, I am in my kitchen already. So that is what we're doing today. If that is something that interests you, make sure that you watch the whole thing. And I hope that I'm able to motivate you to go and declutter whatever room it is that you need to go declutter, guys. Here is this one cabinet, guys. As you can see, I have filled it pretty much to the rim. So that's this one. And here's all our collection of cups, as you can see. And then when we go down here, this is kind of just a storage area. This right here is actually my pantry, so that's all our stuff in there. This is our countertop. And then when we go into this one, it's kind of teased up there with all our medicines right here. This one over here has all our seasonings up in here, guys. These two have nothing in them. Down here, as you can see, is all of our pots and pans. It kind of is a real deep one, guys. If you can see this all in here, it is very deep. So other than that, then we go under my kitchen sink. And as you can see, I kind of have some stuff stored down here that I keep. So this has zero organization at all, guys. This is all of this side. Now let's move y'all. This is the junk drawer, guys. This is the drawer that literally has everything in your mama in it. So this is the one we're mainly going to be organizing today. We go in this one, same thing. It's kind of stuffed all to the brim, pretty much all of them. This one again, same thing, just stuff that I don't need, that I have though. And as we move over here, this one right here has all of our pans in here, which I do like this, but again, no organization, guys. Then we move over here to this one, and this is where all of our rags are, our silverware. You know, of course, our Grove rag is in here. This is the new one I just got, guys. I love those. If you've never ordered from Grove, go check out in my description box. I have the link in there. Again, more disorganization. This is a lot of our Tupperware stuff. Yep, kind of just throw it in there, guys. And then this is more Tupperware, some glass, one's right here, another glass bowl. So that's everything, guys. So as y'all can see, we're going ahead and just taking everything out of the drawers, and then we're going to organize them and clean the drawer before we put everything back in there. Guys, I have tons and tons of this, so I think I'm actually going to go through this and see what we need and what we don't need, and then I'll come back to y'all on what I decided to keep, guys. Okay guys, so I know it looks like I kept majority of it. I actually did. I only got rid of one thing. So of course I'm keeping my loaf pan, my big one, keeping my miniature one. These I'm keeping because pretty much all of this is my husband's, so I don't really have a choice there. We're keeping these two as well because my kids use them a lot. This is mine, so we're definitely keeping that. This was actually my mom's and my older brother's, so again, keeping that. And then this and this is my husband's, so we're keeping that. This is mine. And then all of these are my husband's. So until I update our stuff and I buy new ones, we're going to go ahead and just keep all of this. So now I'm just going to kind of put majority of this back in there. Now, some of these things, like these small ones right here, I'm probably gonna actually go ahead and put those in the drawer that has my husband's utensils that go outside, just because usually what happens is I stuff that middle one way too much and then I can't get out the things that I need. So I think we're just gonna put the standing things in there only, and then stuff like this that's circular, we're gonna go ahead and just put those in that other drawer, guys. So we'll move on to the next drawer as soon as I get done with this. I'm still on just this side of my kitchen. I haven't even touched that side, guys, and it's already been like an hour. So now we finally clean this out, guys. We're gonna go ahead and load this back in here. So, like I said, this is our easiest drawer because it was literally just silverware. So from here, we're just going to go into our next drawer. So actually, yeah, we have 2 more drawers on this side, guys. So I'm just putting all of these in here. I do keep all my rags around here. So let's go to our next drawer, guys. Oh, Lordy, guys. So this one is, as you can see, all of our junk, I would say. Now, I'm only keeping things that have lids and that I actually use. So we're going to do the same as all the other ones, guys. We're going to take everything out and find all the lids. I don't even know what these are, guys. Like, seriously, I don't even know what these are and why they're in this drawer. We finally moved into the top one, so we're going to pull everything out from up here. Yes, I know we have a lot of cups that we don't need, guys. I mean, literally, look at this. I have cup within a cup. So we're technically only keeping this because it's my baby's plate when they're really small. And then these 2 because these are when we go camping, we use those. This is our collection of cups, guys. Literally a collection. Okay, guys, you know you have too many cups when you come across these that you have not used. And I don't even know how long. They were a gift at one point, but we never use them. This cute when I came across this as a gift, guys. Look how cute that is. Okay, guys, so the way we're going to organize this is we're going to put all our coffee cups down here, our glasses up here. Yes, I'm going to keep a lot of our glasses because I just am. I don't feel like we need to get rid of them. This is actually trash, guys. It doesn't even work. Look how empty that is now, guys. Nothing. These plastic bags I keep in my Aldi bag was in there. These that I don't even use, so I'm going to give those to somebody else because I don't like them. Paper towels, trash bags, detergent for the dishwasher to wash my actual dishes, my crock pot, a juicer that's my husband's, my Ninja my friend gave me, and my blender. And then we also had this Keurig that doesn't even work, that is actually trash that I need to throw away. It just doesn't work, so we're going to go ahead and clean that and continue cleaning, guys. Okay, guys, so we are finally in the home stretch. These are the last two cabinets I have to do. Then I will be done, and then I will show y'all an overview over all the cabinets and drawers that I did. And that way you can see how organized it is now. I do like so far the process that I've gotten. Guys, so before, this is what was in here and there. All of the seasonings and flours and soy sauce and Crisco and everything else. We are not lacking in the seasoning department, guys. I mean, it seriously goes all the way back here. So now the fun part is we're going to go ahead, go through everything, see what's expired. Like this, we have 2 of them. We have a bunch of cinnamon again, of course. And then we have like these vanilla extracts, this that we don't even use. So we're going to go through this and throw stuff away. Like, I mean, we got this on sale at one time, and I'm pretty sure it's no longer good. So we're going to go through here, throw more stuff away. And this is just a glimpse of my trash can, guys. It's seriously overflowing already that I'm going to have to get a new trash can bag. But this is what we're working with. And we still have to do all our medicines and our teas. And yes, that's a shot glass up there as well from Mexico. So, yeah. That's that, guys. So we are almost done. So we're going to go ahead and clean this one, and we're going to organize all this stuff. And then I will be back with y'all. So this right here is the top cabinet. I'm going to add the other plates back up there. So this is here. This is where I put all of our Arctic cups right here, along with this one that is my cup. Our coffee cups are right here. Up there we have all of our glasses, and then the plastic glasses that are my kids. And then when we come down here, this is pretty much just lunch kits, my husband's stuff that goes outside to grill, the banana holder because, you know, we just have that. And then when we come over here, we have all our pots and pans in here, guys, as well as the toaster and the blender. And then this is the one with all the seasonings that y'all saw earlier on my Instagram. These are all our seasonings down here. That's pretty much all my stuff up there. Majority of that's keto friendly, an exception of the honey. That's my kids. Then we have our teas right here, some sprinkles, and all our medicine right here goes there. There's nothing in those two. And then this, as y'all saw earlier, are these three things right here. So this is, you know, kind of like my husband's stuff right here. So this needs to actually get moved over here because those are his. This is our other stuff that we use, measuring utensils. We come in here, our measuring cups, our roller. This is my weight that I use to measure my food. All my husband's holders for his Arctic cups. My Ninja cups, the grater. This is for my creamers, cutting board, and then my other stuff is down here as well. When you come in here, we have our loaf pan, our miniature loaf pan, and about 3-4 different baking pans. Over here is all of our stuff that more stands up, guys. So, you know, pots, baking pans, and then cupcakes and all that. But not for some reason. This is all our containers that have lids. And then I put these little bowls in here because I do use these whenever to melt butter and everything else. And then these are our glass baking dishes. This circle one that is, both of these came from my husband's grandmother. And then these are my husband's extra containers. And then the last thing is right here, guys, our silverware that I did clean this out already. And then all our rags, as you know, I do fold them and put them all back here so that we have them available. This right here is underneath our kitchen sink. So as you can see, I still have all my bags and my plastic ones in the Aldi bag. My paper towels, trash bags, soaps, my Ninja, my crock pot, and my blender are all back there. So it is a lot more cleaned out. This is everything on the table that we're actually going to be getting rid of. As you see, it's kind of like a mixture of things. We have anywhere from pots and pans to coffee cups to just different glasses, plastic containers, a mixer, more coffee cups, and detergents that I don't use, and stevia that I don't use. So yeah, this is pretty much everything, guys. So that was it, guys. That was all of my decluttering for my kitchen. I hope I was able to motivate you to go ahead and declutter your kitchen. And if you have any other requests on me to declutter any other room in my house, go ahead and leave them down in the description box down below. And also don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. I'll have the name coming across my screen about right here, guys. And also make sure to go check out all my other videos that are down in my description box. That way you can get some more decluttering or keto or food or anything else that you are looking for, guys. And I will see you guys next time.